Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating and configuring an application on the Pinterest developer platform. To begin, navigate to the Pinterest developer portal and click on My Apps in the top navigation bar. If this is your first time, you will be prompted to set up your developer account. Click on the See Terms button next to agree to the developer terms. Review the developer and API terms of service by scrolling through the document and then click I accept. Once accepted, click on the Connect App button to start setting up your application. On the Connect App page, begin by uploading your application icon. Click on the Upload button, select your image file from your computer, and open it. Next, click on the App Name field and enter a name for your application. Your company name will be automatically populated. Now, in the company website or app link field, enter your full website URL. In the Link to Privacy Policy field, provide the direct URL to your privacy policy page. In the App Purpose field, provide a brief description explaining what your application does, such as image posting. Scroll down to the Developer Purpose section and select the other option. Under Use Cases, check the Other box and specify how your application will interact with Pinterest. For example, auto-posting images to Pinterest. Next, under Audience, select Other and specify your intended audience. For the Reads, Pins, and Boards data section, select No. Next, verify the security check by selecting the I'm not a robot checkbox. Once verified, click the Submit button. Your application is now successfully created and listed under My Apps. Click on the Manage button to view the application dashboard. Here, under the Configure tab, you can view your app ID, manage your access tokens, configure redirect UREs, and view your API scopes. The app secret key will become available once your trial access is approved. You can also explore the Collaborators tab to manage team access, and the Details tab to review your submitted application information. Currently, it will show Trial Access Pending. Once Pinterest verifies all the details, the trial access will be approved, and after that, the app secret will be available. Thank you for watching.